iSpace Village Vlog 144. I found 3 amazing resources on how to be an astronaut. Here they go. First of all, and I'll link it in there, is the NASA astronaut program. It does require to be a US citizen, so something needs to change in there. Second one, the ESA, European Space Agency, and this is really a fantastic place because it specifies like a job with a job spec what you need to have to be an astronaut. And let me just read you a couple of them that are really interesting. Okay. Behavioral competencies, fostering cooperation, continuous improvement, results orientation, relationship management, operational efficiency, and forward thinking. Plus, of course, you need to know everything. Becoming a specialist at everything is really a hard skill, but an interesting one. Let's continue with that. Third resource, Axiom. Axiom Space is preparing missions that use the flags of every country, and very important. They also have manufacturing applications, research applications, and private astronauts. Where should we start? Well, starting in here, and the problem becomes a bit wider, is identifying the key and fundamental capabilities behind each one of these 3 sources. And I just mentioned them. You need to have a good relationship with science and engineering. You need to have a very strong focus on continuous improvement and the ability to cooperate with others. And also the ability to share the message. If you think more about this, it's about being able to perform under stress and duress, but also maintaining a certain level of fun, coolness. So I'm really poised with these 3, and probably even one more. Chris Hadfield, a post-astronaut, does have a course on how to become an astronaut. And I'm probably going to start there. So, if you want to be an astronaut like me, where would you start? Enjoy the day.